Before starting our journey for this preparation, let us discuss something regarding the job itself first. In this video, I'll be discussing about the job title, the job responsibilities, the salary and benefits you will receive from this job, and the timings and the challenges you will face in this job. First of all, let's see the job title. The job title will be of postgraduate teacher, that is PGT. If I talk about the hierarchy in the school administration, on the above there is principal, then vice principal, then PGTs, then TGTs, and then PRT, clerks, and then class 4 employees. So you will be placed third from the top. And in general, in Delhi schools, you will not find principals in much of the schools. Only vice principals are handling the schools. They are the HOS of the school. So you will be placed in general on the second line of hierarchy only. Now let's talk about the job responsibilities you will carry while performing this job. You will be teaching 11th and 12th class, and the subjects will be business studies and accountancy of 11th class as well as business studies and accountancy of 12th class. Apart from this, you can be nominated as a class teacher, so you have to fulfill the duties or responsibilities of class teacher, as well as they can give you some charge related to the school also, like discipline in charge, like some charge related to the finance. So these are the responsibilities one has to carry while doing this job. Now let's talk about the most important part of this job is the salary structures and the benefit you will receive. The salary is divided into different parts. First is the basic salary. You will receive basic salary directly after recruitment is 47,600 is your basic salary. Plus you will receive house rent allowance that equals to 11,424, that is 11,424. You will receive traveling allowance around 4,000, and also you will receive dearness allowance, that is called DA, at around 8,000. Plus government also contribute to you in your NPS account, that equals to around 7,000. So your total salary will come about, in round figures I'm telling you, 78,000. But in hand you will receive around 66,000 because of some NPS, cut in NPS, some taxes and these things. And apart from this, you will receive a lot of facilities. Suppose medical facility. You will receive free medical facility. Any of the panel hospitals in Delhi, like big hospitals like BLK hospital and other big hospitals, multi super specialty hospitals, you, your wife, or if like your spouse, your parents or your children, whosoever is dependent upon you, will receive medical facilities free of cost. Now the next point is job timings. Job timings, on an average you have to give around 6 to 6.5 hours in this school, as compared to other jobs like in banks, in other offices. This is very less working hours, 6 to 6.5, and in this also you will get breaks, you will get free periods, and you will have a lot of vacations like in winter, summers, and you can see in corona time also only schools are closed, otherwise whole of the economy or other activities are open. So this will be the timings. And challenges, yes, some challenges are also there. You have to handle students. Some students may be very notorious. Some students, like, you have to work very hard for some weak students, but that will give you inner satisfaction, because in government schools you will find that yes, there are students who are studying generally from a not very good background. So if you help them, you will train them, then that will give you inner satisfaction also. So this was all about the jobs. And one more point I want to add here is, you will not find the Delhi government schools like any other state government schools. These schools are very well maintained, very good infrastructure created, good benches, good computers, computer lab, library, playing grounds, very good building. So you will not feel like a depressive state of affairs like you will see in other states.